Hey guys, Judy here, and welcome to another day of my life, because it seemed you guys really liked that. So here I am making another one. Let's start today. So first, let's change. Okay, so I got my black cargos and a Minecraft shirt. I don't have a red t-shirt. Oh my gosh, sue me. But it's Minecraft, so let's go brush our teeth and stuff. Okay guys, so now I'm having Cocoa Pebbles again, but for breakfast. So now it's right, I guess, or whatever. Okay, so I am going to learn how to do the Rubik's Cube. I don't know. That's just one of the goals I set for today. Let's start. Hey! There we go! I finished the Rubik's Cube. You will not believe how long that took me. That's the first time I've ever solved the Rubik's Cube. All you guys are going, oh my gosh, it's so easy! But there we go. I'm done. See? Look, done. I did that. Yeah! Okay, so now I'm gonna go outside and play some basketball with my friend. Let's go. So now it is 6:15 and I am eating a nacho cheese Lunchable. Notice that I didn't eat lunch because I was having so much fun playing sports and stuff outside with my friend. But now I get to finally eat. So now I'm done eating dinner. It's about 6:30 and I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos on my tablet. So then I got sidetracked and then I took a shower and I forgot to tell you guys, but I don't know. But now I'm gonna go watch some more YouTube videos and maybe play on the computer or play Pokemon. I don't know. So now I'm having Chips Ahoy with milk. So yeah, I'm done with my Chips Ahoy. That was me playing the harmonica. Thinking about putting out an album on iTunes. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Oh yeah, we can play indoor basketball. Dang it! Let's try again. So yeah, it's about 11 o'clock and it's time for me to get some sleep. Yes, I am sleeping on a couch. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye guys.